Cool. What is this? A World War II?
Trainers, Fairchild PT-19. PT means primary trainer.
Oh, wow.
And they use these, and they built the same airframe with a radial engine, called it PT-23. And then the same airplane with a canopy they used in Canada, called PT-26.
Holy crap, this is amazing. You fly these?
Oh yeah.
Cool. And there it is right there. Hell yeah, beautiful American flag. There's the gas gauge.
Yeah.
So all the gas goes in the wings?
Yep. Both wings holds 18 gallons each.
Jesus. That's a lot. Wow. I was not expecting this when I got up this morning. Thought I was gonna look at an old car and see if we can't get that headliner done in it. This is amazing. Wow, this is like a toy I used to play with, but this is the real life thing. Wow. The PT pole. No, PT Pete. That is wild.